doing these things right now on YouTube if you want to go viral, get more views, and get monetized very quickly. There are 4 things I have noticed that is working really well on YouTube recently. Aside from other things you have known, like optimizing your channel using hashtags and other things, there are 4 separate things that are working really well right now. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you step by step these 4 things that you should start doing. So stay with me to the end of this video. Do not miss any parts, because missing even one part might cost you the secret that would blow up your channel in this 2025 and even in the years to come. So let's dive in. Number 1 thing is choosing a viral or trending niche and topic as well. If you want to start up a YouTube channel, the first thing you should do is to choose a viral niche, a niche that is trending. Okay, and if you already have a YouTube channel, you should go into trending topics, viral topics. Okay, any topic that is trending on your niche, you should dive into it. Stop creating videos because you want to create video. Okay, try as much as you can to be creating videos that are going viral and trending. That is videos that people are looking for, videos that has high demand. If you start creating videos that are trending, videos that are going viral, okay, videos that people are already looking for, there is no way that you won't be getting the views and the subscribers. Research and find out the niche and the topic that is trending right now and jump into it. For example, let's say that you want to do any AI stuff or reaction or complimentary videos. You know that people will definitely watch that reaction video because you are reacting to something that is already trending, something that is already going viral. You understand? People always want to see different opinions, different perspectives, and different reactions. Okay, so that is why this niche is going to go viral. But here is the thing, don't just go and copy people. Okay, do your own research, make your own video. Use your voice to do the voiceovers. Add your own special twist that will make it unique and yours. Okay. Use your own voiceovers, your own editing style. Just to make the video personally yours and in your own style. That way, the video is unique and still on the trending waves. On that niche, look for trending topic. Okay. For example, if there is a breaking news, a viral TikTok trend, or a new feature that YouTube just released, remember that the earlier the better. The earlier you post your videos, the high chance of it ranking up and going viral before the competition catches up. Do you understand? The second thing you should start doing is using YouTube research tab or YouTube trends inside YouTube Studio. Yes, this is a powerful tool that many creators are not using. It gives direct insight into what people are searching for on YouTube right now. This is very powerful because instead of just guessing what kind of videos to make, you will be using real viewers' data straight from YouTube. Here is how it works step by step. Go to your YouTube Studio app, okay? Then you go to your analysis like this. Inside your analysis, you will go to trends, okay? Then here on trends, you will see searches, okay? Explore topics, top searches. Look at the top searches that people are searching for. Best niche for YouTube channel 2025, okay? How to increase ring time views on YouTube. How to add video after uploading on YouTube. YouTube will show you these things based on your niche. Okay, based on the niche that you are doing, that is what they will show you here. Okay, so if you want to, you can also search for more topics by clicking on this search here. Okay, and type in any keyword that you want to type in. Do you understand? You can also click here to find top searches to see more of them. Look at them here. These are more searches. These are more searches that people are looking for. Okay, these are more searches that people are looking for, which YouTube has shown us here. So you can pick any of the topic here and make a video on. Do you understand? And there is no way you won't be getting the views and the subscribers that you want, because they are real-time viewers. They are what people are actually looking for. And focus on topics that are growing very fast. Make your videos as quick as possible before the keywords become saturated. Add your own twist and values so it stands out. If you are using this tool consistently, you will always know what is hot and what is trending in your niche. Okay? And you will not run out of video ideas that has high chance of going viral. And the last thing you should start doing is stop uploading daily. A lot of new creators here think that they grow very fast by posting daily. That is not true. The truth is that you don't grow by posting daily. You grow by posting high quality content that keeps viewers watching and that keeps them coming back to watch your video content. Uploading daily without strategy can actually hurt you because your videos might not perform well if they are rushed. You will burn out quickly and lose motivation. Okay? YouTube cares more about viewer satisfaction, your CTR, your watch time, and your retention, and not your daily uploads. Instead of focusing on daily upload, make each video high quality, okay? Good thumbnail, strong hook, and engaging content that will keep your viewers watching and coming back to watch your videos next time. Using your analytics to check what kind of videos are working in your niche and jumping into it right away. If you want to maintain a consistent upload or schedule, that is very, very important and very, very good. But you should be uploading at least twice or 3 times in a week, depending on your strength and the time you can be consistent on. Remember that one high quality videos that got 50,000 views is 10 times better and will do 10 times more on your channel than 30 low quality videos that barely get 50 views each. So stop chasing daily uploads and chase impactful content. Okay, content that has values. So those are the 3 powerful things you need to start doing right now on YouTube if you want to blow up in this 2025 and even in years to come. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 3 steps you would like to try first. I would love to hear from you. Okay, so if you find today's video helpful as usual, do not forget to like so that YouTube will push out this video to more creators. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel with your bell turned on because I'm going to be sharing more proven tips on how you can grow your channel very fast and get monetized quickly. Bye. See you on my next video.